ABR Analysis tab. We have opened a BXR file with spike detection and burst detection performed and 2 channel groups already created using the channel grouping feature. We go to the Average Bursting Rate tab and have a selected group of channels. To adjust the visualization of our selected group of channels, we can change the bin size, clicking and dragging to decrease it. Now we see the bursting rate represented along time, corresponding to the time interval that we have set in our timeline. By clicking and dragging, we can also change the time interval. Like the other analysis tabs, we can also show the chart axes, zoom in, zoom out, use the auto scale feature, and the homes feature to set the axes back to the default settings. Furthermore, we can choose to display our visible groups or selected groups, and using a control click to make another selection. Next, we can change our plot type from line to points or bar. We can also add the dispersion to show the standard deviation or standard error. Furthermore, we can normalize our data by clicking Basel and then going to the time intervals in the timeline to adjust our interval to normalize the data. Like the other analysis tabs that we have also covered, you can also export our data by going to Chart and clicking Export Image or Save Data to Workbook.